Welcome back. For our opening credit music, don't think about boobop shbop, my baby, boobop shbop, hello stranger. Did I violate copyright? Anyway, pause me, bring up the YouTube homepage, do a search, the lyrics are hello stranger. Theme song, good to see you again. How long has it been? Ooh, about 15 minutes since I recorded the last video. Well, this will probably end up in the outtakes. Part 2. Another word or two about sherline. It's the main machine in my shop. I'm gonna have to show you everything eventually. All those projects. Yeah. Anyway. The drive plate. The lathe dog drive plate. This one you see by the 3 slots you can use to cut a triple lead thread on your sherline lathe. If you're masochist enough to use your sherline lathe to cut any thread, let alone a triple lead thread, okay? You have to crank it by hand. Alright. I have the threading attachment. Got one thread with it. I knew it would be tons of fun. I had to see a doctor about part of my body that was hurt. Because it was a real pain in the butt. Cut a triple lead thread with it. But, turning between centers. Yep. That is what you put on your lathe when you're turning between centers, and the official school training. But nobody wants to drop that 90-pound 4-jaw chuck on their foot. I sure don't. I know the guy who did it didn't want to do it. That could be one way to get workman's comp. Anyway, here's another little part the sherline cell comes with. It's a 3/4 16 thread on a T-nut. Slide that on the table of the mill, on the cross slide of the lathe. Make believe this is the 3-jaw chuck. Just screw it onto the bed of the table of the mill. Or how many people bought the sherline lathe, right? And upright column for milling, and then they bought the table, its lead screw and the attachments for that, unscrewed their cross slide, screwed the table on the other way, yeah. I thought of doing that, but I had the money to buy the XY base and then that aluminum base that you can mount the XY base on. Now, I didn't show you other parts of the rotary table. The plate you can bolt it to put it on the milling machine table. The upright for that. It's tailstock. I mean, that baby's set up for indexing between centers on the machine, on the mill. Only problem with it is you can only directly dial it to 1/10 of a degree. 6 minutes of angle. Yeah, but hey, if 6 minutes of angle, 1/10 of a degree is close enough. This is the back of shear line instructions. Came with my rotary table. I'm not showing you the front because my name is shear line. It's not my product. It's pretty though. One boo-boo. In the exploded drawing, they label the worm as an upright. Freudian slip, maybe? Well, I'm just about out of here. Don't think about Porky Pig. That's that.